Determining eligibility for a driver's license restoration is a complex matter. It can be exceedingly simple in certain cases. All I need to do is look at a driver's license or driving record and say you're eligible. In other cases, we have a multitude of factors like current suspensions and new cases and pending cases that can affect when you're eligible. The bottom line, though, is that there are 2 or 3 very simple things you can do. Number one, look at your last order of action or get a copy of your driving record, and it will contain your eligibility date. If you have not been arrested for any driving while license suspended charges since you've lost your license, then the date that's on your driving record is the date you can get it back. If you do have or have had intervening charges, you might need a little help in determining that. I'm always willing to look at a driving record. We do that for free, whether or not you're going to be my client. All you have to do is scan a copy over to me, get it to me somehow, I'll look at it and tell you when you're ready. There is one important issue or one important adjunct to that. Being legally eligible to apply for a driver's license restoration case doesn't mean that you are practically eligible. In other words, you can be eligible to file, but that doesn't make you eligible to win. Winning means being able to prove that you've been sober and are likely to remain sober, and that you have a sufficient period of sober time under your belt. What that is can vary from case to case. So being legally eligible, in other words, 12 months after your last DUI arrest, may make you legally eligible, but you're not practically eligible if for no other reason than the Secretary of State, for example, won't give a license back as a general rule if you're on probation. So somebody who was arrested a year ago for a DUI may be legally eligible to file, but because they're still on probation and will be on probation for another 12 months or even longer, can't even begin to think about filing a license appeal and have any chance of winning until that's up. So it's always best to get me your driving record, I'll look at it, and we'll figure things out from there at no charge.